Peace upon everyone. With you, Vasna. Today I'm going to let you know about something. It's very, very, very secretive. No one know about it before me. Now going to let you know. It's written in the very, very old books, and it's about how to destroy completely any evil witchcraft you been eating or drinking, or it put to you in a drink or in a food or in a drink, you knowing or without you knowing. And it's no matter if it's done from 50 years or 20 years or 10 years or just a few days ago. This would destroy it. And trust me on this. This is very, very, very strong one. I want you to go and get this, oh goodness, a black currant. Sorry, I know the name in Arabic. A black currant, tooth, a sweet one. And when you cut it from the tree or you bought it, you need to say, in the name of the Lord. And you get it. If you buy it or you cut it from the tree. Then you put it in the plate. Then you will bring a pot with a very pure water. The best water is the spring water or the rain water, or you get a pure drink water just from any fountain of water, and you put it in a pot. Then you will get all the in it, and then you will start for the Christians, until the Jew, they can't do it. The Jew can read Al-Mu'amma on it, or they can read also the Matthew chapter 4, the temptation of Jesus. But instead of you read, don't use the Father, you use God, Lord, for it, and in a name or instead of the Son, just change it and say Jesus al-Messiah. And when you talk about the bad person, don't say the bad person, the Lucifer or the devil. Then you read it, the temptation of Jesus, like when the angel guided Jesus in the desert, something is like this in the beginning. And then you read it till the end when you say, then when the devil showed Jesus all the kingdoms and say, just lean to me, I will let you have it all. All this, you're going to read it. You read it 7 times. And while you read it, you can just shake it like this. Shake it like this, okay? On the table, just shake it like this while you read it. And when you finish, and then you take all the, what they call it?
Black currants.
A black currant. Okay, you put it here. Okay, you put it here. You take it all. And then you leave it to you to eat. And the water, you will have it the next morning. It must be covered and left. You leave a few berries, yeah, this one, call it tooth. You leave in it, and then in the morning you take it. Then you will have your normal shower, and then you will have a big bowl, and you take like slowly from this with the cup, and you all over you. This will wash away any evil witchcraft is done. You take it and then you finish it. After you like rinse yourself in it, don't leave any patches. You need to rinse all of you, and then you take this bowl, you leave, you dry yourself, you put your clothes, then you take this bowl and you walk away from the home where there is grass, greens, like where people no walk, like on around the tree, but outside house, and you throw it there. okay? And can be done for one time, can be done for 3 times, can be done for 7 times, and then trust me, all will be destroyed. Some people love it, love this, love the tooth, and then they will have it for 40 days. Nothing can destroy the witchcraft, the evil witchcraft, the evil spells, if it's done by drinks or by food. Just this one. This is not just my way. This is the very, very old way and the most strong way. You will thank me. Subscribe and put like and follow, but please, you need to let me know how is things going with you and what you experience after you take it. You must not eat any food, just keep drinking water, and when you go to the toilet you see like a dead worms is floating on the water. Trust me. And you know it's very, very powerful. You will feel large. You will feel alive. I love you all.